This tiny OLED can run a full arcade game. Let me show you how. This is a simple 3-lane car dodging game built with Arduino. It has a complete game flow, smooth difficulty, and sound effects. You only need a few simple components: an Arduino, an OLED display to buttons, and a buzzer. Follow this wiring diagram to connect all components. Here is the real wiring setup. Make sure everything is connected correctly. Upload the code to your Arduino. Press any button to start the game. Move left or right to avoid incoming cars. As you play, the speed increases and more enemies appear. If you hit an enemy, it's game over. And you can restart any time by pressing a button.